Red Magic 9 Pro Plus Limited Edition, co-branded with Bumblebee, was recently launched. You can also see previous variants like the 7S Pro, 8S Pro Plus, and yesterday's launch of the 9 Pro Plus. You can check out the design of all three models. The new 9 Pro Plus has some design changes compared to the previous versions. This time, the back is almost flat instead of being bumpy like before. Also, I've already uploaded a detailed review video of the regular edition of the Red Magic 9 Pro Plus. Today I am going to show you unboxing and first impression of Red Magic 9 Pro Plus Bumblebee Edition phone. Hey guys, Maiky from techmaiky. Please consider the subscribing and turning on the notifications by hitting that bell icon for more amazing tech videos. Let's now get to the unboxing. So, this is the box of the Red Magic 9 Pro Plus Bumblebee Edition collection. When you remove the plastic from the box, you'll notice that the box has a hexagonal shaped design. On top of the box, you'll find a yellow and black color scheme along with the Bumblebee logo. As you open the box, you'll get a sci-fi vibe. Inside, you'll find a variety of accessories including a customized charger with a power of 165 watts. This charger also supports PD charging and features the Bumblebee logo. Additionally, you'll find a metal badge with the Bumblebee logo, which can be attached to a t-shirt or other items. The box also contains two data cables. One cable is for charging, while the other is for the charging clip. You'll also get a customized SIM ejector tool, a specially designed protective case with a metal ring, and a cooling fan, available in yellow and black color options. The fan comes with a magnetic back, making it convenient to use. This is the Red Magic 9 Pro Plus Bumblebee Edition phone, which comes in a classic black and yellow contrast, giving it a visually appealing gaming phone feel. At the back, you'll find the Red Magic and Autobot logos. On the left side of the back, there's a black strip where the Red Magic branding is located at the bottom. I've already uploaded an unboxing and detailed review video of the Red Magic 9 Pro Plus transparent variant. You can find the link in the description below. Just like in the transparent variant, screws can be seen at the back of this special edition as well, giving it a tougher look. Looking at the phone from the side, the biggest feature is that the camera module is integrated into the back without any bump. The rest of the phone's frame is black, but the buttons are in yellow color. When you look at the front of the phone, it appears flat. This time, the Red Magic 9 Pro Plus Bumblebee Edition comes with customized wallpapers featuring Bumblebee, along with a customized mechanical theme. So, friends, let me know in the comments how you like the design of the Red Magic 9 Pro Plus Bumblebee Edition. Other than the design differences, the specs remain the same as the regular variant. It features this year's flagship processor, the Snapdragon 8 Gen 3, along with 16GB of RAM and 512GB of storage. The phone is powered by a large 5500 mAh battery and supports ultra-fast charging up to 165 watts. Additionally, it comes with a built-in high-speed centrifugal cooling fan. You can compare it with the regular transparent variant, as they have similar specs. So what you guys think about it? Tell us your thoughts in the comment section below. If you have any questions, also give this video thumbs up, and make sure to share it with your friends. Lastly, subscribe to our channel for more amazing tech videos. Well, as me signing off, thanks for watching. Have a great day and keep smiling, and I will see you in the next one.